Alright, we're about to do a quick tire repair,
Quick
fellas.
tire repair on a Honda.
Check this out, check this out. That's fucked up. Alright. Where the fuck are they in here? And then sometimes if you just leave them, you put the tire back on, and then that shit happens to be leaking, so it's like, look, I should have done it since the beginning. But yeah, I always like to change these. So all you want to do is smoothen this out evenly. The way I like to use this, I like to use the edge. So with the edge, it gives you a lot more control.
Then he played last ball, was the first time he ever held up, cause you're from the hood. Tattooed on two hoes' asses. Yo, man, this one's hard.
It's not lined up, but I mean, I still have to check the balance, so. Make sure the puncture that you just fixed isn't leaking either.
Tire was off balance, so I had to balance it again. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and share.